In this next step, we're going to install the pedals. The pedals are labeled L and R, left and right. There's also going to be an L and R on the ends of the pedals. The right side of the bike is as if you're sitting on the bike, which will also be labeled. For the right pedal, you're going to tighten it, turning it clockwise, like normal. Just kind of use your hands. Don't use the tool yet, and just kind of get it going a few threads. Once you have it in there, you're going to take the 15mm wrench you used earlier and then fully tighten down that pedal and make sure you have it on there good and snug. Now the left side is a little more unique. For the left side, you're going to tighten it, turning it counterclockwise. So again, set it in there. Do it by hand to get it started. Turning it counterclockwise. And once you have it a good ways in, use that 15mm wrench. Nice and snug.